everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Miles dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Miles dildo itself. Now we wouldn't recommend this for beginners and would recommend it for more experienced and advanced users due to its large size and diameter. It's suitable to use both anally and vaginally and features a very veiny textured shaft all the way around for extra stimulation, a realistic ballsack and a rounded head at the top just there, so a very realistic design. You can use it in combination with your favourite strap-on harness, and you can use the strong suction cup to apply any smooth flat surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. The material itself is very silky, soft and smooth and features a firm yet flexible shaft there for a comfortable fit and feel. When using the Miles dildo, we'd always recommend to apply a water-based lubricant to the dildo itself and your intimate zones for optimal comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Miles dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.